friends, we're doing some catch and cook today, and I'm coming to you from the fish house where we're cooking up some Korean style fish cakes. To make this, you can use any white fish, but today we're using fresh walleye. The great thing about fish cake is that size doesn't really matter, so you can have little chunks and bits and pieces of fish, or bigger fillets, but in the end it'll get all mixed up and turned into a delicious medallion-sized fish cake. Bake your walleye for 12 minutes at 400 degrees. For the fish cake mixture, crush 8 saltine crackers, add about a quarter cup of panko breadcrumbs, a half teaspoon of minced ginger, a quarter cup of chopped cilantro, add some salt and pepper. Now add about a third cup of mayonnaise and break up your walleye fillets into tiny pieces. And add the walleye to the mixture. Mix it all together and add a teaspoon of sesame oil plus a teaspoon of sesame seeds. Mix it all together. Ta-da! Now roll up a fish cake ball that's about the size of a golf ball, maybe a little bit bigger. Press it firmly so that the mixture sticks together, and then press it down to form a medallion. Now heat up some olive oil in a fry pan and fry the medallions on each side until browned. Now chop up a quarter of a red cabbage into thin slices, and slice up 4 sweet mini peppers into thin strips. Chop up 1/3 cup of cilantro, add a tablespoon of sesame seeds, and take 2 green onions and slice them into thin strips. And mix it all together. Mix together 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, a half teaspoon of minced ginger, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, add some salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, a half teaspoon of minced garlic, and mix it all together. This will be the dressing for your slaw. Toss the mixture until your slaw is evenly coated in this delicious sauce. Now we're gonna make the Gochujang Aioli. Add 2 teaspoons of gochujang paste to a bowl and 4 tablespoons of mayo. Then mix it all together and that is your aioli. Now let's assemble. First the aioli, then lots of slaw. Add your walleye fish cakes on top, a side of kimchi. Here I used a radish kimchi, but you can also use cabbage kimchi. Now some seaweed salad. If your grocery store has sushi grade fish, they usually also carry seaweed salad. This bag is actually from Costco. Top it off with chopped green onions. And that's it!